99% of people cook with this and barely realize they're adding poison to their food. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that affects nearly everyone: the dangers of vegetable oils and why you should avoid them. You might be surprised to learn that those seemingly harmless oils like soybean, canola, and corn oil that are so prevalent in our food supply are actually detrimental to your health. Despite being marketed as healthy alternatives, the science shows these industrial seed oils are linked to numerous health problems. So what's the issue with vegetable oils? Well, there are a few key reasons they're problematic. First, most vegetable oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids. While we do need some omega-6 in our diets, the modern Western diet contains way too much. This throws off the balance of omega-6 to omega-3, which should optimally be around 4:1. But some experts estimate many people are consuming ratios as high as 50:1. This imbalance promotes inflammation in the body, which is a root cause of many chronic diseases. Secondly, vegetable oils are highly refined and processed. They're extracted using high heat and harsh chemical solvents like hexane, which can leave residues in the finished oil. This processing also strips away beneficial nutrients and antioxidants. Additionally, the high heat used in extraction, as well as high heat cooking methods like frying, cause vegetable oils to oxidize and go rancid quickly. This creates harmful compounds like trans fats, lipid peroxides, and aldehydes that damage our cells and contribute to disease. In fact, one study found that heating vegetable oils releases high concentrations of chemicals called aldehydes that have been linked to cancer, heart disease, and dementia. In addition, many vegetable oils come from genetically modified crops that are heavily sprayed with pesticides like Roundup. Residues of this toxic herbicide end up in the finished oil product, not something we want to be consuming. But perhaps most concerning is how these oils affect our gut health. A recent study from the University of California found that consuming soybean oil, the most widely consumed oil in the U.S., not only leads to obesity and diabetes, but also negatively impacts the gut microbiome. It hampered the ability of good gut bacteria to communicate with the intestinal immune system, triggering inflammation. The effects were so dramatic that the researchers said the soybean oil's impact on the gut could outweigh other lifestyle factors. Now, you might be thinking, well, I don't use these oils at home, so I should be fine, right? Unfortunately, vegetable oils are ubiquitous in processed foods, fast foods, and restaurant meals. Things like salad dressing, sauces, baked goods, fried foods, and snack foods almost always contain these cheap, shelf-stable oils. So what can you use instead? The best cooking oils are those that remain stable at high temperatures and are unrefined with healthy fat profiles. My personal favorites are extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It has a low smoke point, so it's best for low to medium heat cooking and cold uses like dressings. Avocado oil is another nutritious option. It's mostly monounsaturated with some polyunsaturated fats, and it has a high smoke point, making it ideal for high heat cooking. Coconut oil is more controversial, as it's high in saturated fat, but it consists mainly of medium-chain triglycerides that are readily used for energy. It's very stable for cooking and imparts a pleasant flavor. When shopping for these oils, look for unrefined, cold-pressed options. Avoid anything labeled as refined, bleached, or deodorized, and definitely steer clear of products with trans fats or partially hydrogenated oils, which are the unhealthiest types of fats. My challenge to you is to take a look at the oils in your pantry and fridge. Do you have any vegetable oils lurking around? If so, consider tossing them and replacing them with healthier alternatives like olive, avocado, or coconut oil. Also, start reading ingredient labels when you buy packaged foods. You'd be shocked how many products contain these harmful oils. Opt for snacks and condiments made with cleaner oils or whole food ingredients instead. At restaurants, don't be afraid to ask what type of oil they use. Many eateries are moving away from vegetable oils due to increased consumer awareness. Seek out establishments that use healthier cooking fats and make note of places that are still frying in inflammatory oils so you can avoid them. Making the switch from vegetable oils to less refined options is one of the best things you can do for your health. You'll be reducing your intake of pro-inflammatory omega-6 fats, cutting out toxic byproducts, and supporting your gut microbiome, which is key for overall health and immunity. I know it can be daunting to overhaul your oil selection, but even small swaps can make a big difference over time. Maybe start by choosing just 1 or 2 healthier oils to use at home. As you get used to the flavors, you can branch out and try other types. And remember, nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods is always the best strategy for feeling your best. No single food is a magic bullet, but the daily choices we make really do add up. I hope this inspires you to break up with unhealthy vegetable oils and embrace cleaner fats for the sake of your well-being. Your body will thank you. Let me know in the comments what changes you plan to make and which healthy oils you're excited to try. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend or family member. Spreading awareness empowers more people to make educated decisions about what they put in their bodies. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm honored to share this wellness journey with you. As always, wishing you abundant health and happiness. Until next time, take care.